Hi, my name's John Knight from Ascentae, the UK distributors for both the Nialli software and also a range of interactive screens from TeamBoard. Today we're using two 65-inch FX series interactive screens, which as you can see are extended to have the Nialli Planner software, Visual Planner software extended across both displays with full touch functionality supported. As part of our process of testing the hardware, we look at a number of different things. So firstly, let's just look at the number of weeks that we can view simultaneously at a resolution and text size that we're comfortable using. And currently I'm looking at roughly 4 weeks of simultaneous planning that I can visualize on the screen. Secondly, we also look at the gestures and the fact that the gestures are supported. So for example, the ability to use 2 fingers to drag a stack of cards to a different day of the week, the ability to provide live status updates on those cards, or to capture things like your reasons for variance, twisting the cards to the left, are all things that we do as part of our testing. But now if I just ask a colleague to come in and join me. Hello, George.
Hi, John. So what we can do here is show how with the 65-inch displays, we can comfortably have 2 people at the board at the same time, supporting a multi-touch experience.
As you can see, we can both be interacting with the cards or providing text updates to the cards themselves. And some of the unique features that Nialli have thought about, for example, is the ability for each user to actually have their own on-screen keyboard, which they can use to actually type their notes and their updates straight in without interrupting the other person. And ultimately, all of these features, the combination of the number of simultaneous weeks you want to view, the number of users that you want to be interacting shoulder to shoulder at the screens, and the amount of content and data that you want to be able to visualize are all the considerations that we would encourage you to think about as part of your Nialli setup. If you'd like to find out more information, please contact the Ascentae team. Ascentae.com is our website.